Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Hadil of class 10 from Salam Model School. Today I am here to present you my project, the Eco Mask Brick. After the coronavirus, a new crisis is waiting for us, and that crisis is the waste from used face masks and PPE kits. You must have seen these disturbing visuals. It shows that nature is very patient with us humans, but humans are testing the nature's patience a little too much. The rising of biomedical waste has caused several problems across the country. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, we are not just going to talk about the problems, we are going to discuss a solution to these problems. According to my research, it was estimated that we use 129 billion face masks every month, which means we use 3 million face masks per minute. These masks are made from woven form of plastic, and people really don't know what has to do with them. So sometimes they throw in the dustbins, and sometimes they throw in the seas and ocean, which end up polluting our water bodies. Or they throw in the incinerators and they pollute the air. Now, the biggest problem is this equipment cannot be avoided as we need them for our safety. So, what is the solution? Well, when there is a problem, there is a solution. This is the Eco Mask Brick that I have made after months and months of research. This Eco Mask Brick is made from biomedical waste which is produced by us. The main aim of making this project was to conserve Mother Earth and prevent environmental damage. So let's move on to the process of making this project. We will need 50% mask, 30% paper and 20% cement. This is the eco bins. This is basically a representation. This will help in collecting specifically the mask and PPE kits. Once it is full, it will be closed for 72 hours for sanitization. After it reaches its sanitization, we will empty it in a disinfected chamber where it will be washed and dried. And then it will be shredded into pieces and mixed with the paper pulp and the binder. Then we will mold it in a shape of a brick and the final product is made. I have made two mixes. Mix 1 contains 45% mask, 45% paper and 10% cement. As you can see, the quantity of the mask and paper were very high and the mixture didn't get the correct proportion of the binder, so it failed. So I tried with a different proportion. The mix 2 contains 50% mask, 30% paper and 20% cement. As you can see, the mixture got the correct proportion of the mixture and the final product is very strong and water resistant. The water holding capacity. The water holding capacity of mix 1 and mix 2. The mix 1 can absorb 25 to 30 ml of water, whereas the mix 2 can absorb only 15 to 20 ml of water, which makes it water resistant. As we may all know, the normal brick can absorb a large quantity of water, which makes the brick more weak and thus leading to break, as you can see in this pic. Whereas these eco bricks are 4 times more stronger, half the price and double the size. Finally, this data collection shows that the cost difference between the normal brick and the mask brick. The normal brick costs 12 rupees, whereas the mask brick costs only 6.8 rupees, where it is very low. Where the cost of the brick is very low. Based on this preliminary result, it is demonstrated that recycling PPE waste such as disposable masks in concrete to make a wide variety of useful products of different densities and strength is feasible. A comprehensive experiment program will help optimize the mix proportion and characterize the materials properties suitable for different structural and non-structural application. The following conclusion can be drawn based on this information presented in this paper. Disposal of waste plastic is a global challenge that has become even more critical with a pandemic generating a multitude of disposable PPEs such as face masks that need an urgent solution. Finally, I would like to thank God for being able to make this project, and finally I would like to thank my teacher Mrs. Surwat, whose valuable guidance has helped me doing this project. And the last, I would like to thank my parents whose valuable suggestion and feedback made this project successful. Jazakallahu khairan and thank you.